and a girl that had big old shoes. You just said we like the same girl. That doesn't make any sense.
Well, you know. They do like to go out all the time, though.
Together. We're not good with the same girl.
Play it again. I gotta sing
Play the same
dance.
chorus.
We gotta sing
Play the
dance.
same
Hold
chorus.
on. You got this? You gonna do Dan? I'm gonna do Dan.
Yeah. Okay.
Dear future girlfriends, here's a few things that you should know. Dan likes the redheads and went to Notre Dame, so you know. That was nice.
That was hilarious.
It was nice. I wanted to be nice.
I got myself.
Yeah, he was being kind, hoping you'd be kind in return, but
Yeah.
we know that's not coming from Dan.
Right.
Because he's an asshole.
I'm a dick. You don't want me to be a dick. Well, I always am. So do I. All right, Eric.
To
What do you
say, well, what? You have another one?
I don't have another.
Yeah.
Oh, I do though.
You do.
You should sing
A
some
oldie. How about an oldie? How about an old town oldie?
Yes.
Oh my god.
All or nothing. The painter.
Standing with the wildflowers, wishing you to stay at home. You kick yourself for coming, but you're standing there all alone.
The centers of attention are busy making all their moves. Oh, yeah. While all the guys are looking at them, I got my eye on you.
Yeah.
You might think you're nothing special. You might be losing heart.